Just everybody pull out in front of me today.
Airport, they realized that it was Tanya Nelson, her oldest daughter, traveling under the name Indigo. Tanya Nelson traveling under the name.
Great. Here, it's warmer days filled with fun family memories and epic backyard grill outs featuring the best steak of your life. Guaranteed. Go to Omaha Steaks. Most people who are going to be working an hourly wage are going to be working for more than minimum wage. So who exactly are these minimum wage workers? Well, they're typically not only being paid $8 an hour. Now the federal government says it's going to be paid
what is the use of these rebuttals anymore? At all? Why do we do them? Because they always seem to be terrible, right? How do you think about Tim Scott and his positions? And I agree with some of it. I disagree with a lot of it. But the fact that he was not responding at all, they're not even trying anymore, right? Does really, I think, diminish the role of the response. There is no way to compete, as I was saying earlier, with a State of the Union or a presidential address to the nation. You just can't do it. There have been different.
called, what is it?
Oh my God. What the?
They just kicked this person out of the car.
Should they call the cops?
I don't know. What do you...
You good?
Is he alright?
Corporations should pay more, the wealthy should pay more, capital gains should be taxed at a higher rate. That is good broadly, unless it's specifically trying to avoid a bunch of people like screaming about America becoming Greece or any of that stuff. I think it's the right way to bring a larger
What? I sure hope I got one.
-6. Like, you're counting up to 0. I can't wait till we get to 0. What?
Yeah, I was watching the weather this morning outside of Kansas City, and they were saying...
If you like this video, please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.